Well, these are the little 6-inch Saraband rimmed dessert bowls. Really sweet little things. Quite deep, as you can see, and then this flat rim, ideal for soup, small portion of soup or little dessert portions. Beautifully decorated by Ridgway with the Saraband hibiscus flower central pattern decoration. Turquoise rims delineated with this gilt lineage, and period Saraband Ridgway marks from the 1940s and 50s in really quite nice condition considering their age, and very pretty little things. We've only got two of them. We have got some other cereal bowls which are slightly larger, and some wider dessert bowls which aren't rimmed but just have sloping sides. So a nice collection of the Saraband on catalogue. For period, as I say, is 1940s, 1950s, so it's quite an unusual one to have on catalogue and available for collectors. Description link below will take you through to the listing for this particular little pair of soup bowls. But do have a look through on the Saraband search term on the website and have a look through all the different designs, shapes and sizes of plates and flatwares that we've got on offer. Thanks for watching.